السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد. Firstly, all presents to Allah, the God who has given us abundant grace lavished with His guidance, so that we can come together in this happy place. Secondly, may peace be upon our best Prophet, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness to the brightness. Respectable, the teachers here may thank very much. Unforgettable, all my beloved friends and audiences. I'm standing in front of you now is to deliver a speech under the title of The Role of Madrasah in Strengthening Ethical and Moral of the Nation. Ladies and gentlemen, as what the people recognized that every stage of human life can never be separated from education. Education aims not only to form an intelligent human brain and skilled in performing the task, but it is expected to produce human being with moral. Madrasah, as a religious educational system, has a really big chance to serve as a medium of belief socialization to the students more effectively because it is given at an early stage. The religious values that were attached to the institutions of Madrasah have a strong mandate to do the world of it. However, the biggest question now is, how can we create Madrasah that has an excellent religious education quality? Ladies and gentlemen, education is a human quality, improvement, effort involving and intellect morality. Moral education is not only knowledge, but also involves moral values. If it's successfully internalized in a person, then the values that will be the norm or benchmark leads will deliver attitudes and actions of a person. Morality is very important because it has an influence in every aspect by humans. In the progress of technology in this globalization era, it can be felt clearly in our society, especially young people, that a lot of teenagers involved in criminal acts like brawl between students, drugs and others. To anticipate that our youth are not soluble in moral depravity, we need a place to guide and direct them, so the behavior and the acts are accordant to the teaching of Islam, one of which is Madrasah. Allah said in Quran, which means, indeed, the most noble among you is the most pious among you. Verily, Allah is knowing and wise. Madrasah, as an Islamic education institution, have a strategic role in developing the nation's character and moral. Because the moral education is the soul of Islamic education itself. Educate the manners and spirit for the individual Muslim who had faith, God-fearing, devout religious practices, and noble physically and spiritually. Brothers and sisters, one of the most important goals of the basement of Madrasah as an Islamic religious school is to maintain the religious tradition in its daily activities. Maintaining the religious tradition is formally done through teaching and learning activities, including period and practical activities. The education system that exists in Madrasah today must be able to educate and provide guidance on human behavior. So, education is not only sharpening the brain, but also sharpening the conscience. It is intended to form an intelligent and high moral standard generation that will appear ideal leaders and capable of managing the nation of Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, based on my explanation above, it can be concluded that first, Madrasah requires novel, inside or outside the Madrasah. All was intended to imitate the good deeds, because of the presence of Madrasah is the center of a community which is indeed a role model highlighted. And second, Madrasah has been playing a role in strengthening ethical and moral of the nation. Brothers and sisters, I think that's all of my speech. Thank you so much for your attention. Here, I would like to ask or apologize for my mistakes. Last but to say, وَبِاللَّهِ تَوْفِقْ وَالْهِدَيَّةِ وَالسَّلَامُ عَلَيْكُمْ وَرَحْمَةُ اللَّهِ وَبَرَكَاتُهُ.
Ustaz,